Hey guys, it's TBTV293 here today, and today I'm on my trampoline. I'm going to be trying to crack my knuckles 100 times. So if you don't like the sounds of bone crunching, I really don't recommend this video for you. If you guys hear some noises in the background, that's because my chickens. But without further ado, let's start. We're going to try to crack this 100 times, which will give us a total of 400 cracks of each finger in total. Alright, well, we hit the 50 way mark. 50 more to go. I think that was 100. I lost count a little bit, and I think I went 10 over. That might be 110, but like either way, leave a like on the video.